Well, earlier during Friday afternoon, we were really talking about the heat being an issue, but now we are talking about some heavy rain rolling into the area. This is the view from our Savannah camera overlooking downtown across the river. Definitely some heavy rain in that vantage point. A little bit breezy out there as well with the storms rolling in. Most of the heaviest rain has been in the southern part of the area, but still some decent cells right now moving into Chatham County, where rainfall rates have been in excess of 1.5 inches per hour, but starting to settle down now as these cells are starting to weaken over Chatham County, but still some heavy rain on the border with Chatham and into Effingham County, approaching Highway 21 right now. Everything's moving to the northeast, generally around 15 to 20 miles per hour. Elsewhere across Effingham County, still some pockets of heavy rain along 21 near Springfield, but further to the south, we are watching some stronger storms along Highway 84, now about to move into southern Wayne County. This cell was severe warned just a little bit ago, but it is starting to weaken as it moves to the northeast around 20 miles per hour. It was producing some gusty winds, still a possibility for that, but starting to rain itself out and still producing a decent amount of lightning. So stay indoors until that does pass your area. Before the storms developed, we did have excessively hot temperatures for some of us. Not too bad, I should say, as far as the actual air temperatures in the lower 90s for highs. 94 for Savannah was the hot spot, but when you factor in the humidity, we did have heat index values over 105 degrees this afternoon. Starting to cool off in areas with the heavy rain, down to 80 for Savannah, 78 right now for Darien. Richmond Hill cooling off to 84 degrees, and we will see more locations cool off as some of those storms continue to develop, but a few spots still feeling like 100 degrees. Statesboro and Rincon both feels like temperatures of 100 degrees right now. That heat will be a greater concern for the weekend. To 105-degree heat index values not out of the question, but feeling even hotter for Monday and Tuesday, and at that time we do actually have more in the way of some thunderstorms developing, so we have to worry about the heat and then the thunderstorms as well as we go into the later part of the week. Some drier air will work its way back in, so it won't be feeling quite as hot, but still definitely feeling like summer for us here in the Coastal Empire and the Low Country. A lot of warm and humid air is surging into the southeast, so a hot and stormy weekend is expected for us at times. There's a weak trough of low pressure just inland from the coast, and that's what's helping those storms to develop this afternoon. Vipercast shows us that already by tomorrow, by 1 o'clock, a few of us may be dealing with some light to moderate rain showers, becoming a little bit more numerous for the afternoon. During those peak heating hours, that's when we would have that potential for some thunderstorms developing, but it looks like that will start to settle down as we head into the evening hours. So then by Sunday, just some clouds around during the early part of the day. Then it's in the afternoon when we will start to see some showers and a few storms begin to develop. And it looks like we'll see more of that coming in to the area Sunday night and into Monday. And it looks like Monday will be the stormiest day of the next 7 days. For tonight, 75 for low temperature, partly cloudy, warm and humid. And then for tomorrow, we will make it into the mid to upper 90s for a few spots. So overall, a hot and humid day with afternoon showers and storms is expected. For the boaters, keep an eye to the sky because of the storm chances during the afternoon. Those winds will be up to around 15 knots from the south, giving us seas around 2 to 3 feet. So hot and humid for the weekend, so stay safe from the heat and also watch that sky if you do have any outdoor plans. A little bit stormier for Monday, 95 the forecast high temperature. Those rain chances back off for Tuesday and beyond, but staying hot with temperatures just above normal.
It does feel good when the storm
It does, at least for a little bit.
All right, thank you so much. Up next in sports.